Welcome to How to Set Up a Free Website Step 2. Let's go to 000webhost.com where we will upload Joomla to the website we set up in Step 1. And first of all, let's go to the members area. Enter your email address, your password, enter the anti-spam number, log in. And let's go to the cPanel area. The cPanel is all the tools provided by 000webhost.com, and today we're going to use the one-click website restore. Before we do that, let's download Joomla. So go to jumla.org, click the download Joomla button, and you're going to download the latest full package, and that's in zip format. So save that to somewhere you can remember. And let's go back to the 00 Webhost tab, and let's click on the file manager icon and log into the file manager using your 000 password, and you can see the public folder which holds your website files is empty. So let's go back to 000 Webhost and click on the one-click website restore button, and this is where we will upload Joomla. So click the browse button to find the file, select the zip packet that you downloaded, and click upload. And where it says please be patient, it can take a long time, it will take a long time. And after it has done that, it might say something like upload failed. But we're going to go back to the file manager, and when we look here we can now see that there is a lot of files, and these are your Joomla files. So in fact it is uploaded and ready to go. Now let's go to the website address that you created in step 1. So that's the name of your website. And right here is Joomla. It's ready to go. We're going to set it up. So first of all, select the language, click next. This is the pre-installation check, and all of these in the top box need to be green. And you can see that the configuration PHP is not writable, and that's an issue. So we're going to go to the file manager again and see that configuration PHP is actually not even there. So we're going to create a new file. So click the new file button, enter configuration.php as the file name, which I copied earlier from the Joomla pre-installation page, just to ensure I didn't misspell it. Save it, and once it's saved, go back to the file manager. And now you can see configuration.php is there. Select it, because what we're going to do now is change the write properties. So go to chmod over here, and we'll be able to change the read, write, and execute properties of this file. And so just select all of these and just save that. Let's go back. Now let's just check this out. The configuration PHP file, you'll see everything is read, writable, and executable. So go back to your Joomla setup, check again. Everything's yes in the top box, that's good. You might notice some red lights in the recommended settings, but don't worry about these, let's just move on. So click next. This is your GNU licensing. Read that. Click next, and we'll go to database configuration settings. Now you need to head across back to your 00 Webhost tab. And let's go to MySQL. This is where you manage the database. So for a simple HTML-based website, all the text shown on the website is written into the HTML code of that page. With Joomla, all the text shown on the site is stored in the database, and Joomla will call all the aspects for the page together as they're needed. It's more complicated, but it makes it easier to look after your content in a broader sense. That's why they call it a CMS, or content management system. Anyway, back to the database setup. So we have to create a new database and user, and just for simplicity, I call my database name and my MySQL username the same. Enter your password and just select Create Database. And this is your MySQL information. So skip across to the Joomla installer, and first of all we want the host name. So select MySQL host, copy that, go back to Joomla web installer, paste that in. The username, let's go get that from Webhost. So select your MySQL user, copy that, paste that into the username in your Joomla setup. Let's go to the database name next, and that's going to be the same as your username, so just simply paste that there. The password, you know that, type that in, and click next. If that doesn't work, go back and redo the copy and pasting. The next section, the FTP setup, we won't worry about, so just click next. And then we're at the final setup page, configuration page, so enter your site name, enter your email address, and enter your admin password. Don't forget your admin password. This is how you will log in to the administration side of your website. Loading the sample data, this is up to you. If you wait till the end of this video, I will show you what both websites look like, whether you upload or don't upload the sample data. I'm not going to upload it in the first example, so you'll get this box that pops up. Click OK. Next, we're at the last stage. Remove the installation directory, so go back to your file manager, select the installation directory and delete it. Now it should be ready, so let's go look at our site. This example is without the sample data installed and is ready for you to start building your own site. This one is with the sample data installed, and it may be a good idea for you to look around and see what each Joomla module can do. Step 3 in this guide will be setting up a Joomla site on your own computer so you can work on it without needing access to the internet.